my channel. First of all, I am just a little perturbed right now because I literally just finished filming this very makeup look in hopes to recreate my last weekend's party look. So I've been sitting here for over 45 minutes recording snippets of this makeup video, only to put the SD card in the computer to see where I was with the recording, only to have nothing. So I am super duper pissed right now. But that's a lost cause. But we're gonna move on with this collab, because this was a collab video in collaboration with Brown and Bourgeoisiee. Her links and in her YouTube and her Instagram links will be down below in the description box, so be sure to check those out, okay? Be sure to check out her makeup and her fashion look that she is serving up, okay? But meanwhile, honey, we done missed this makeup train, and ain't nothing I can do about that. I can't recover it, but this is the look, okay? It's typical me. This is like one of my go-to looks. You've probably seen something similar to this before anyway on my channel, but yeah. And this is that reshine hair wig. I need to go ahead and bump it real quick. I just really put it on my head, but yeah, it needs some TLC. It needs some curling iron action to it, but nonetheless, let's just go ahead and get into the dress that I wore. I'll go ahead and include all of that, but make sure you subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell so that you don't miss any of my uploads. But let's go ahead and get into the look, okay? So this is the dress that I wore. I did get two of these. This is from Femme Luxe, as you see here, and I have it in the size medium large, which fits a woman like myself between the sizes of 12 and 14. Now I would like to consider myself super thick, honey. I usually go for the extra large in these type of dresses, but this one was super like comfy and stretchy, so I knew that the medium to large would fit me, okay? So yeah, this is how it will come packaged should you decide to order it. Very nice. Now I have quite a few pieces from Femme Luxe. I really do like their party wear and their club dresses. They're really nice, especially on curvy girls. Also picked up this strapless bra last weekend from Ross. This is by Daisy Fuentes. Now, like I said, I did pick this up from Ross, and this thing is absolutely amazing. I've never really had good luck with these type of brassieres, but this one worked really well for me. So this is what I will have on under the dress that I'm going to show you next, okay? Okay guys, this is that hair from Reshine Hair. This is from that video that I uploaded a couple of days ago, so the link will be down below in the description box as well. Alright, now the dress is from Femme Luxe. Now they're a UK brand. I really do love their dresses. They're really nice on us curvy girls, girl. Now like I said, this one's in the size ML. It fits those 12 to 14, and y'all know I'm super thick, so it fits me perfectly. Yes, girl. I love it. And it's like a thin, I don't want to call it sweater because it's not quite sweater, so I guess this is like cotton, but nonetheless it's like really stretchy and comfortable. I like it. Very cute and affordable. But I know, honey, y'all are gonna let me know what you think down below in the comments area, honey. Yes, I liked it. I thought it was real cute, so I thought I'd recreate the look for you, because so many of you are asking me where I got this dress from, but I'm pretty sure you can find it in other places, but I got it from femmelux.com. This is the bag that I carry. This is my Bordeaux Chanel maxi flap bag. Now I've had her for a while. She just doesn't get much play, but I found an opportunity to carry her this weekend, and she was gorgeous, hunty. one of my favorites in my collection. I love this bag. Clear mules, I'll have these linked down below as well. I do love these because they go with so much, and I just think they're just adorable, cutesy mules. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell so that you don't miss any of my uploads. Until next time, I will see you in the next video, and there will definitely be another video. And make sure you check out Brown and Bourgeoisiee. Be sure to subscribe to her channel and check out her awesome makeup look and her banging outfit that she's sharing with us, girl. Yes, until next time, bye.